In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter an owner's draw in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record money that the owner takes out of the business, so your books stay accurate and clean. First, make sure you're signed into your QuickBooks Online account and that you're working in the correct company file. From anywhere in QuickBooks, look toward the top of the screen and click on the plus sign that says New. This is the main button you'll use whenever you want to record a new transaction. When the menu opens, you'll see different transaction types. For an owner's draw, you can use either check or expense. Choose check if you're physically writing a check to the owner. Choose expense if the money is leaving the bank in some other way, like a transfer, a debit card payment, or an electronic payment to the owner. Go ahead and click the option that best matches how the money is actually moving out of your account. Next, you'll see a form where you can fill in the details of this transaction. In the Payee field, you want to identify the owner who is receiving the money. If the owner's name already appears in the drop-down list, select it. If it doesn't, you can add the owner as a new vendor. This might feel a little strange, but in QuickBooks Online, using a vendor profile for the owner's draw is a simple way to track payments to that person over time. Once you've selected the payee, move down to the account or category field in the details section. This is very important. From the drop-down, select the owner's equity account that you've already set up in your chart of accounts. This tells QuickBooks that the money going out is not an expense of running the business, but instead a distribution of equity to the owner. If you're not sure which equity account to use, it's a good idea to check with your accountant or bookkeeper before you proceed. Now, enter the amount of the draw. Make sure it matches the actual amount leaving your bank account. You can also add a memo if you want to note that this is an owner's draw for future reference. Finally, review everything for accuracy: the payee, the bank account, the equity account, and the amount. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. That's it. You've successfully recorded an owner's draw in QuickBooks Online.